Hello friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Twilight Builders. Back at our job site again today, Coffee and Construction in Willo, our historic neighborhood. Episode 26. We have some fantastic progress to show you today. We've got the wood floor guys here. They're starting to sand the floors so that they can be refinished. And then we've had the tile guys back. They have done our backsplash tile and the tile at our hearth and our fireplace. So let me show you around the space. Here we are in the master bedroom. They have started to do the sand in these floors. They're cleaning up things a little bit, but that's all going very well. Down here in our laundry closet, he's got a little bit of infill of flooring to do. So our installer is working on that at this point in time. You can see he's got some pieces he had to tear up at that transition, and then he's going to put in some new flooring there. And then he'll be working on our stain sample. We're so excited. We just talked through some of our stain samples. One of them is called a silver gray. We're trying to resemble the darker tones in our luxury vinyl plank flooring that's throughout the rest of the house. So I'll be excited to show you that when we get that finished. But for today, we've got sanding going on for these original wood floors for this 1930s home. So friends, here we are in the kitchen. We've got our backsplash tile installed. Oh, it looks so good. All right, so I know you can have a hard time seeing it at this point in time because of natural light, etc. But this is Arizona Tiles Flash Ivory in those 4-inch squares. They look so good with all of our other finishes in here. We've got a little bit of grout haze going on, but you can see the glistening in the natural light on this backsplash tile. They just look so good, friends. And then here's from our other angle on the stove wall when we'll have the hood sitting in front of that window. I'm so excited about this. We've got our under cabinet lights in. They're in a nice little ballast here so that we won't see quite as many dots on the counter with those LED light separations. Okay, here's our fireplace hearth tile. We had to problem solve this just a little bit. Our standard install would be this one back here where we've got smaller grout lines, but we wanted to go with full-size tiles, so we're making our grout lines just a little bit wider so we can just get full-size tiles across there, and that'll be redone. Doesn't that look so good, friends? It looks so nice with all of our finishes in this space. Here's our guest bathroom, still looking as pretty as ever with this beautiful Chloe green tile in this shower. Oh, she's just so gorgeous, friends. We got a toilet installed, we got the vanity installed. This is all looking so good. Okay, friends, I just love these garage doors. They look so good, and the way they did the handles and the straps on them is such a beautiful placement. Looks so good. I know we saw that on our last video, but I couldn't help but show you again. Our gates are in. Oh, our hot water heater is in too. So we did a tankless water heater on this house, and that has been installed also. So it's looking so good out here. Friends, for Coffee and Construction in Willo, our historic neighborhood, episode 26. Thanks for being on this journey with us. We really appreciate it. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.